There is a new YouTube SEO checklist on the YouTube help page, which gives us tips to optimize our videos for discovery. And this list was actually recently recommended by Todd, who is the head of the discovery team. So the team that builds the algorithm. And I bet they at least contributed to this checklist. So if this checklist isn't sound, I don't know which one is. So let's go through it and have a look. Alright, the first section is about titles and thumbnails, obviously very important for our SEO, right? So it says, use compelling titles for your videos that accurately represent the content. This tip primarily falls into the category of optimizing our videos for the algorithm, so that the algorithm has some information about the video in the beginning when they don't have data about the viewers yet. Viewing history, viewing behavior, watch time in particular, about the video that helps the algorithm to decide where and how much to promote a video. So in the beginning, the title is really important. And if you want to learn more about how to craft the perfect title, then check out this small playlist, which has two videos. The first one explains you how to craft it in a way that it is perfect for SEO and the viewers alike. And the second one explains you the different types of how to write titles that are used out there by many different YouTubers. By the way, I will be showing you many cards alongside this video, so that at the end of the video, just click pause, click on the eye icon, and then you can go through all my recommendations so you can watch those videos where you want to learn more. Alright, let's move forward to the next point. It's create thumbnails that accurately represent your content. That certainly is something about the viewers, because they don't want to be clickbaited into watching your video, right? So it should be accurate what the thumbnail represents, and that of course is very important to also intrigue people to watch your video. Thumbnails are super important. If you want to learn more about how to design thumbnails, then have a look at this stream from Brian, where he did a long presentation of basically explaining everything you need to know about good thumbnail design. Alright, next tip is to reach a global audience. Consider translating your titles, descriptions and captions by having your community add subtitles. That's a really good idea, but frankly I have to say that's more something along the lines that will become important once you have reached a bigger audience. Once you would probably say you are not a small YouTuber anymore. But in any way, it's always a good idea to have at least the closed captions for your main language available. So a good idea is to review the automatically generated closed captions that YouTube is generating for you, so that they don't contain many mistakes. Alright, and that's interesting. There's one section here which states things that you should not do, and one in particular is interesting. You shouldn't use all caps or many exclamation points. This is sometimes perceived from people as being loud, and they don't like it. There is actually a tendency that titles with all caps perform worse than those that don't use all caps. By the way, you find the link to this checklist down in the description, as well as the link to the video where Todd recommended this checklist. And in this video, by the way, he also stated that titles with all caps tend to perform a little worse than videos that use just a regular title. Alright, let's move forward to the next section. Keep viewers watching with video techniques. And that is all about watch time. Be an effective editor. Create a compelling opening and so on. Yeah, compelling opening is very interesting because that motivates people to really watch the whole video. So that if you have in the beginning a good pitch why people should watch this video, then they tend to watch longer. And actually I have a really great example of a YouTuber who does really great pitches. Check out this video here where I discuss everything he does and how I interpret it, what you have to focus on in order to make that great pitch. It's really an important setup for your long watch time. And the checklist continues to say, then use programming, branding and packaging techniques to maintain and build interest throughout the video. And of course, that's all related to have a little bit drama in your video, something like not explaining everything right away so people keep watching, like all the techniques, you know, that help viewers to stay engaged, interested in continue watching the video. And then the next point is build your subscriber base. Subscribers are your most loyal fans and will be notified of new videos. By the way, that is actually a really important point. Your subscribers usually, I studied that for many channels, give you better metrics than all the other viewers you have. They have longer watch times and they have more engagement and so on. So it is really important that you build a good relationship to your subscribers so you can motivate them, that they keep coming back, and they are the ones who are watching your video in the beginning. They will drive your view velocity. They will give positive signals to the YouTube algorithm. Subscribers are oftentimes not the biggest portion of the people who watch your videos, but they have a really important role. And because they are so important, because they send those positive signals to the algorithm so your videos get more promoted, I dedicated a full section to just active subscribers on the Morningfame report. That's the top section in the Velocity tab. By the way, if you don't have Morningfame yet, there is a link in the description that gives you a free trial, so feel free to check that out. All right, and on to the next thing, engage your audience. Involve your audience in your videos and encourage comments and interact with your viewers as part of your content. That's really important. I mean, it is about building this close relationship with your viewers. It's more than just watching videos for them. It is also that they want to feel that it's more than just a broadcast of videos. And if you engage in comments with them, they feel that connection. So they are more likely to come back and watch your new videos. They are more likely to subscribe to your channel. All that positive effects you will get from them. So it's really important, in particular, to foster your comments. This is the primary method to engage with your viewers, and I have a really great video for you here where I talk all about increasing your comments with a really great YouTuber story along the way. So moving on to the next section, organize and program your content. Build long watch time sessions for your content by organizing and featuring contents on your channel, including using series playlists. Think about series on your channel. A playlist is a way to bundle videos together, but it's more than just using a playlist. Think about episodes that fit together, that people can watch in a row, binge watching. That is really helpful for your channel. And also, if you found a topic that really works well with your audience, it's a good idea to do more videos about the similar topic. So if you do it in a series, it's natural that you continue a certain discussion about a given topic. Really helpful in this regards. And yeah, that builds the long watch time session that is so important on YouTube. So think about that. And continuing, create a regular release schedule for your videos. Now, of course, we know that that's a good habit of having a regular upload schedule. And when uploading, to encourage videos to watch sets of videos over a single video. The important thing is they see this new video of yours, and once they watched it, they are done watching your videos. Ideally, they would watch a second video of yours, something you have in an archive, for example, right? So there is a really clever technique which was coined by Brian G. Johnson. He calls it the view handoff method. And if you want to learn more about that, in order to convince people who watched your video to the end to then watch another of your videos, well, then check out his video where he explains the view handoff method. Really powerful. All right, moving on. That's all about building watch time, long watch time sessions. And then finally, the last section in the checklist talks about analytics. Really important to find out what is working well on your channel. I mean, you learn a lot about your audience through the comments, the feedback they give you, but it's not always a good representation of what people experience when watching your videos. Only a portion of your viewers, mostly your fans or the biggest disappointed people, will engage with you, maybe tell you what they liked or didn't like, but that's only a portion of your viewers. If you want to have an honest picture about how your videos are perceived by your audience, well then, the best choice is to use analytics for that, and for a good reason. It states here that we should look at the watch time reports audience retention report. I mean, the longer people watch, the more they enjoy the video, obviously, right? So this is really a core point about where analytics can help you understand which videos worked well. And in particular, in the audience retention report, you can find out where your videos get boring. So the next time you can edit them better so you don't have any boring parts anymore, and with that increase your watch time. Really good thing to do. Yeah, and obviously YouTube provides you really great reports to figure out which content works well on your channel. But if you want to expand that analytics power a little bit, check out Morningfame's strategy tab, which is particularly helpful for figuring out which video topics work well on your channel, so you can do more videos about the same topic, expand on that topic, do similar topics. So if you want to know how that works, check out this video, which walks you through the strategy tab of Morningfame, so you can see how it can help you. All right, I hope that helps. Again, the checklist is in the description, and feel free to click this eye icon now to go through the list of videos that I recommended you, so you can pick out those that help you to get better at points where you think you should improve a little bit. All right, cheers, my friends.